I love fire trucks. This red fire truck is engine number 2. These fire trucks are white with gold stripes. The one with the ladder is engine number 9. This fire truck is blue and white. It has a ladder on top too. Its number is 35. This fire truck is red with a yellow and blue stripe. Do you see all the fire person's equipment in the side shelves? This fire truck is yellow. It's pretty big. Look at the size of those tires. This fire truck has its feet down so it can put its ladder up. They help support the truck when the ladder goes high into the sky. This is a Chinese fire truck. It's red with red rims. It looks like the firefighters have all their equipment ready to go inside. This fire truck is from Antarctica. It's yellow with a blue stripe. Look at all the dials and controls on the side. This is a little fire truck. It's pretty neat looking. It's orange on the front, red on the side, and it even has red wheels. This fire truck is almost entirely yellow. Its number is 15-1. Here's another smaller fire truck. It's red and white. Can you see the blue lights at the front and at the back? This fire truck belongs to the Tucson Fire Department. Where do you think it's going? This fire truck is parked in the garage. This fire truck is in a museum. It's an old fire truck. This fire truck is fire truck number 3 from the Beverly Hills Fire Department. Here's another older fire truck. The plates on the front say Old Timer. This pickup truck is also a fire truck. Can you see the hose in the back? This fire truck's pretty square. It almost looks like a big red box. This fire truck is white with a red stripe. It's engine number 4. This fire truck is pretty long. It's got 3 sets of tires. Do you see the number on it? That's right, it's truck number 90. This yellow fire truck is parked on a trailer. I wonder if they're delivering it somewhere. This red fire truck has a white stripe. Do you see the blue lights? I love fire trucks. They're really neat.